What is function in JavaScript? A function is a piece of code that performs a specific well-defined task. This means it is a piece of code. That means it is a block of code. It contains some specific task to perform. There are two types of functions in JavaScript. First one, built-in functions. Second one, user-defined functions. What is built-in functions? It is inbuilt functions. That means we don't have to create that functions. It is already given by the container of the compiler. First one, string manipulative functions. It performs operations on strings. That means if we want to perform operations on strings, then we use string manipulative functions. The functions are str.length. This is the basic structure of string function. For each and every function, before we have to paste str. That means string. After str, we have to paste dot operator. Then we have to declare the function name, then parentheses. Here, length is the function. What is the use of length function means? It calculates the number of characters that are in that string. That means it displays the number of how many number of characters are there in the given string. What is str to uppercase? It converts the string to capital alphabet letters. That means if the string is in lowercase letters, then it converts it into uppercase letters. Here one note point is there in str to uppercase. In uppercase U and C are the capital letters. This is the rule for declaring the function. What is str to lowercase means? It converts the string to small alphabets. If the string is in capital alphabets, then it displays the string in small alphabets. If we use str to lowercase function, here also L is capital letter and C is capital letter. What is str.concat means? It combines two strings. That means if the two strings are separating the strings, then it combines the strings and generates the result. What is string replace? It replaces the string with the given string. That means it replaces the string in the program with the given string. Str caret. It is to print the character that is specified in the specific index location. Now let us see str trim. It trims the extra spaces that are present in the strings. If there is any extra spaces, it trims the spaces and generates the result. Now let us see an example program for str functions. The example program for string functions. I paste each and every string function and now let us see the output. Here this is the output. Here you can see I taken the first string as Ravi and second string as Raja. Now you can see here second string as Raja Ram. And now let us clearly discuss how the string functions work. Here first I taken string length function. Here I am taken str1.length. Here what happens means it calculates the length of first string letters. That is first string how many letters? Here first string is 4 letters. That's why here 4 is printed. And what is the second function? Here second function is concatenate. That means here I am taking str1.concat. It concat the first string with the second string. Here you can see the two things are separated. First string name Ravi and second string name is Raja Ram. But when come to the output, it's combined. The letters get combined. If we want to combine the letters, then we use string concat function. What is the use of string character function means is simply pins the character that is present in that index location. Here I am given the index number 3. What is str1? Str1 is Ravi. Here you can see string str1 is Ravi. In that third index number, the I is present. That means R is located in 0 index, A is located in 1 index, V is located in 2 index, and C is located in 3 index. I am given the number 3 here. That's why I is printed. What is the next function means? String size function. What is the use of string size function means? If we want to print the starting and ending of the string, then we use string size function. In string size function, we define the starting value and ending value of the string. Define the starting means it prints up to 4 values. What is string uppercase means? It prints the lowercase value to uppercase. That means it converts the lowercase value to uppercase. And what is the string lowercase function means? It converts the uppercase string to lowercase. What is string? What is the use of string means? It string the additional places given by the user. Now here also not lowercase. Here replace. Here what happened means it replaces the string with the given string. Here you can see what is the first thing means. Ravi, it replaces the string with money. Why? Because here in string replace I am given str replace Ravi into money. That's why it displays the money. If you want to take a screenshot of program, then you can take a screenshot of program. I am calling the program. Now let us see what is the use of mathematical functions. With mathematical functions, here the mathematical functions is used to perform mathematical operations. Here there are 3 types of mathematical functions, that is basic mathematical functions and power and square functions and trigonometric functions. Now let us see example program for mathematical functions. Here this is the example program for mathematical functions. Now let us run and debug the program. Here you can see this is the output. What is absolute value means? Here in the program I am using the function math.abs function. Here what is abs function means? It prints the given number. If the given number is negative number, then it prints the positive number. And if the given number is positive number, then it prints the negative number. That is alternative or reverse. If there is positive number, then it prints negative number, or there is negative number, then it prints positive number. So here math.abs function. Here you can see I am given negative number minus 3, but in the output the absolute value common 3 is printed. That is positive number. And the next function is math.round function. Here what is math.round function means? It prints the round figure value, that is which comes after the given number. Here I am taken 5.50. The 5.50 is nearer to the weak value, that is 6. The 6 is printed here. And what is the math.4 function means? In math.4 function I am taken the value 2.25. Here what happened means it prints the value that is before to the 2.25. The before value which is nearer to the 2.25 is 2. That is printed here. Here what is shell value means? If we use math.shell function here also I am given the 2.25 value, but in shell function it prints the successive number that is nearer to the 2.25. That is the successive number which is nearer to the 2.25 is number 3. That's why here number 3 is printed. Here the main difference between 4 and shell is 4 prints the pretty little value of 2.25, but shell prints the successive value of 2.25. Now let us see what is math.5 trunc function. Here, the numbers after the decimal point is 90. The 90 will be deleted. The only 5 is printed. That means, in simple words, it prints the only integer value. It doesn't take float value. And what is next function means mat dot pop function. Here what happened means here I taken two values, that is 5 comma 3. The first value will be come at the base and the second value will be come at the power. Here I am taken 5 comma 3. It prints the 5 cube value, that is 5 cube equal to 125. You can see here 125. And next function is mat dot square root value. What is the use of mat dot sqrt means? It prints the square root of the given number. Here I am given the number 36. The square root of 36 is equal to the 6. That is the square root of 36 is 6. This is printed here. And what is the CBRT means? It prints the cube roots of the given value. When we use SQRT, it prints the square root, but when coming to the CBRT, it prints the cube root. What is the cube root of 27 here? The cube root of 27 is 3. Here, 3 is printed. And what is minimum mat.min function means? It prints the minimum value that is present in the array. That means if we take the array circle, then it prints the least value that is present in the array. Here the least value that is present in the array is 3. Here 3 is printed. And what is max value? It prints the maximum value that is present in the array. Here the highest value that is present in the array is 15. And that's why the 15 is printed here. Now let us see what is user defined function. Here the user defined function, why the user defined function name it comes means the function is created by the user. That means the function is not inbuilt, that is created by the user of the computer. To use the function, we can create our own function. Now let us see example program. Here I am creating the basic HTML article. In the body tag I paste the gift tag. In gift tag I paste the function. Then I paste the function name. I given the function name as gift. Then paste the parentheses. While using function, the parentheses should be declared, otherwise the function will not work. Then open the base. After opening the base, write the message do you want to print by using the function. I am writing document dot write method. It is in JavaScript. In the output method, I am writing the message hello. This is the basic circle to create function. Here you can see that circle. After creating the circle, we have to call the function. What is the function name here? Get. Then paste the parentheses and put the semicolon. Now let us run and debug the program. Here you can see the hello message is displayed in the web page. If you understand my video, then give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.